Hey there, food enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of kitchen organization, a topic that's close to every cook's heart. Whether you are a seasoned chef or just getting started in the culinary world, having an organized kitchen can make your cooking experience smoother and enjoyable. In this video, we will be sharing some fantastic tips and tricks to help you to transform your kitchen into a well organized heaven. Let's get started. Before we jump into nitty-gritty of organization, it's crucial to declutter your kitchen. Begin by going through your cabinets, pantry and drawers. Donate or toss items you haven't used in ages and keep only what you truly need. Remember, less clutter means more space to work with. Creating specific zones in your kitchen is a game changer. Dedicate areas for cooking utensils, bakeware, spices, and pantry staples. This makes it easy to locate items when you need them and ensures that everything has its designated place. Invest in clear storage containers for grains, cereals, and pantry items. These containers not only keep your ingredients fresh but also allow you to see what's inside. Adding labels ensures you never confuse salt with sugar again. When dealing with the limited space, think vertical. Install shelves or hooks to hang pots, pans, and even mugs. This not only saves counter space but also adds a touch of aesthetic charm to your kitchen. Drawer dividers are a fantastic tool to keep your cutlery and utensils neatly organized. No more rummaging through tangled spatulas or mismatched forks. Everything will have its own place. The area under your sink often becomes a clutter zone. Use stackable bins or pull out drawers to maximize this space. Store cleaning supplies, trash bags, and dish soap in an organized manner. Say goodbye to bulky knife blocks taking up counter space. Mount a magnetic strip on your kitchen wall to safely store and display your knives, a sleek and space-saving solution. Corner cabinets can be a nightmare to organize, but lazy Susans come to the rescue. These rotating trays make it easy to access items stored in the back, saving you from stretching and reaching. Hooks aren't just for aprons, they are perfect for hanging utensils, oven mitts, and even pots. This adds a rustic touch to your kitchen while freeing up the drawer space. Last but not the least, establish a weekly maintenance routine. Dedicate some time to reorganize and clean your kitchen. This habit prevents clutter from piling up and ensures that your kitchen remains a functional and inviting space. And there you have it, our top tips and tricks for achieving kitchen organization perfection. Remember, an organized kitchen not only makes cooking a breeze but also adds a sense of tranquility to your culinary adventure. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Happy cooking until the next